don't think he wants to.
That is dinner.
Yeah, this is his dinner. He usually just has bottles, and now he's going to start eating food. If he can figure it out. He's messy. He's messy like the picture of the big sister and the baby. Remember that with the peas?
Yeah.
That's what he looks like. This is called, it's like porridge. It's baby porridge. Oh. Oh, that's gross. Gross, Bob. Is it hard to swallow it? Is it hard to figure it out? We just have to keep practicing. Yeah, you'll get it. You don't think so? Do you like it? Is it weird? Is it so weird? I think we just, every night we gotta spend some time with him and just have him practice. You just gotta put it in his mouth and see what it feels like. Because he's never done it before.
He did it!
Yeah, so you just gotta go, that's what you did when you were a baby.
Our face is so messy.
Yeah, you were a little bobblehead too. The same bimbo. You used to sit in the same bimbo.
Was my one pink or what color was mine?
It was this exact same one. It was green. We got a green one because we hoped someday we'd have a boy. Yeah.
It's not a bimbo. It's a bumbo. Bimbo is something very different.
Is that funny? I know.